Welcome to this training session on Wisani's fleet management system. This video focuses on the route authorization process steps. So before I'm going to show you the steps on how to request a route authorization, I first want to explain to you the steps that are involved from the moment that you request this route authorization until such time that it has been closed by control room. So there are two things involved in the route authorization request. The first is for you to request a route authorization on the system, but part of that process is then also for you to do an electronic vehicle check before the driver leaves your premises. So you need to do both these steps before you can get the driver to leave the premises. So let's look at what these steps are. First of all, step 1 says request the route authorization. So this is where you will go into the fleet management system and you will request that route authorization, and I will show you the steps in another video. The second step that you then need to do, the moment that you've requested the route authorization on the system, you now need to leave and go and check the vehicle. And the way that you are going to do that is by using a cell phone with an app on it that will allow you to do the check. Again, this step will also be explained in another training video. Very important that you have to complete both step 1 and step 2 before control room will authorize that route authorization request from you. So once you have checked the vehicle using the app on your cell phone, the control room will go into their system and they will see, yes, okay, you have done the vehicle check and you have requested the route authorization. Now they will approve it. And once they have approved it, you will then go back into the system to see if it has been approved. And once you see that it has been approved, only then may the driver leave the premises. So then we move on to step 4. So the driver has now left for his trip. He's coming back to your premises. And again, you need to complete step 4, doing the same vehicle check that you have done in step 2. And the last step that is now remaining is for control room to close the route authorization. Control room will go into the system to see if you have checked the vehicle on its return. And once they see, yes, you have done it, they will go back into the system and close the route authorization. So this are all 5 steps that you need to familiarize yourself with. Make sure you understand how these steps work before you go into the next video that will now focus on how to request a route authorization on the system. Thank you.